And here we go. Unpacking colour screen data for the Commodore 64 using 6502 assembly language. We now have a packed byte. By looking at the red box, we look at the problem. We need to unpack our byte data of 107, which is our 6 and 11, which were packed back into 2 bytes of data, which will contain the 6 and the 11. So we need to turn this back into this. We unpack our 500 bytes of packed colour screen data into 1000 bytes ready to place in screen memory. So how do we do it? Our solution, we look to the green box. We can use AND to get back the lower nibble of 11, which is the 1011. Then we can use the logical shift right to move the top nibble of 4 bits into the bottom nibble of 4 bits and store in memory. We turn our 107 1011 back into our 6 and 11. Job's a good one. Then all we've got to do is move to the orange box and find out how to code it. So we first of all set our memory, so our packed byte will be stored in FA, our low byte FB, and our high byte FC. So we name it unpack, our subroutine, and we load our 107 and store it in the packed byte. Then we clear our 2 low byte and high byte bytes, so they don't contain anything. Then we load the accumulator with our packed byte, and we AND with the bottom with F, which is 1111, and we get back our 1011 into the low byte. Then we load our packed byte again, and then we apply our logical shift right 4 times on the accumulator to move our top nibble of 0110 back into the bottom nibble of the byte, and we store that in a high byte. Return from the subroutine. Now that we've coded it, we can now rewrite it in 68000 and 386 assembly language. We now have the routines for all time. Coding then becomes a boring matter of copy and paste. We already have written the routines, we've got them for all time, we can use them any time we want, and all we do is take this routine, add a double loop using X and Y registers, so that we can turn our 1000 bytes of data back in, our 500 bytes of packed data back into 1000 bytes of unpacked data. Job's a good one. Simple, so simple, even I can do it.